Have you ever wondered how to make profits faster in the stock market? The allure of the stock market lies in its potential to transform a modest investment into a sizable fortune. It's a bustling marketplace of opportunities where fortunes are made and sometimes lost. But what makes it so enticing? It's the chance to make profits in leaps and bounds that outstrip the modest gains of traditional savings. However, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a complex and volatile arena where prices fluctuate rapidly, influenced by a myriad of factors. The risks are as high as the rewards. That's why before you dive in, it's essential to arm yourself with knowledge. Understand the market dynamics, the strategies, the risks involved. It's like learning to swim before diving into the ocean. You wouldn't want to be caught in the deep end without knowing how to navigate the waves, would you? Similarly, trading without understanding the market is like sailing in uncharted waters. So educate yourself, start small, diversify your portfolio, and keep emotions in check. Stay informed about market trends and news, and remember, there's no surefire way to make quick profits in the stock market. It requires patience, knowledge, and a bit of luck. Trading in the stock market can be a fruitful venture, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Let's move on to some strategies that might help you make profits faster. So, you're eager to jump into the stock market, but what steps can you take to increase your chances of making profits faster? First up, it's all about education. Understanding the market, learning about different strategies, and being aware of the risks involved is crucial. There are plenty of resources available online, and many brokerage firms also provide educational materials. Knowledge, they say, is power, and in this case, it's profitable power. Next, think about starting small. It might be tempting to pour in a significant amount of money right from the get-go, hoping for quick, large profits, but slow and steady often wins the race. By beginning with smaller investments and gradually increasing them as you gain experience, you're less likely to burn out and more likely to build sustainable wealth. Then let's talk about diversifying your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your money in one stock, can be risky. Spreading your investments across different stocks can help manage risk and potentially increase your profits. Another key strategy is using a stop-loss order. This is an order you place with a broker to sell a security when it reaches a certain price. It's a safety net of sorts, limiting your losses if the market doesn't swing your way. Keeping your emotions in check is also vital. The stock market can be a roller coaster, and it's easy to get swept up in the highs and lows. Try to stay calm, make decisions based on facts and analysis, not emotions. Lastly, stay informed. Keeping up to date with market trends and news can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Remember, there's no surefire way to make quick profits in the stock market. It requires patience, knowledge, and a bit of luck. But these strategies can certainly increase your chances. If you're serious about learning the ins and outs of the US stock market, Matador'S Academy is your go-to resource. We offer an extensive video module that covers everything from market principles to trading strategies, money management, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Each lesson is designed to provide you with the knowledge you need to navigate the complex world of stock trading. But it's not just about the knowledge, it's about the experience. With Matador'S Academy, you're not just learning from textbooks or online articles, you're learning from seasoned traders who have been in your shoes and know exactly what it takes to succeed. And we understand that everyone learns at their own pace. That's why we've recorded our lessons in video format. You can pause, rewind, and rewatch as many times as you need until you're confident in your understanding. Additionally, for those who act quickly, we're offering a complimentary 5-hour online session. This is a golden opportunity to get a real-time experience of the market and learn directly from the experts. So don't wait. Navigate to Matador'sAcademy.com now and start your journey towards successful trading. Remember, the stock market waits for no one. Get it now. And grab the opportunity to trade an option market and make some profits now.